Hill from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television in the living room at the Carlson cabin. So this is a smart enabled Samsung TV with a cable one box, actually now they're called Sparklight. We've got a green light, so we know we're good to go. Fairly straightforward and easy operation. We've got the Samsung television remote right here. Once it's powered on, up in the top right is a source button, and so you can click on TV. Now the TV button here basically is just going to be a Samsung feed of all the channels that are there, and then you have the cable one box which you can go ahead and click on. That's going to bring up the cable one channel available to you, and you can use this remote right here, get your channels. And going back to this, if you hit your source button, if you have Hulu, Netflix, or any of the other services that you guys have an account, you can just scroll down to the bottom, and then you've got all the different features that you have available that's accessible to you, just scrolling along the bottom. So you've got Netflix, Prime, Hulu, TV, Vudu, and you can keep scrolling through. Apple TV, YouTube TV, PBS, as you can see. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. Hope you're having a great time while you're here. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Cheers.